Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the batteries on your Apple AirTag. So you can see your Apple AirTag looks like this. So to change the batteries, you need to flip it like this. So you can see this Apple logo here, and then you need your two fingers and then just press on this flap and then rotate it anti-clockwise and then just open it like this. And you can see this battery here. This is the normal battery you can find anywhere. This is the normal CR2032 battery, which you can find anywhere on any shop, right? So just remove this battery from here and then you can replace this battery with the new battery. So once you have the new battery, you can just put it like this and make sure that the plus symbol is on the top, right? So you can see this plus symbol on the top. Just place your battery and then just place your AirTag cover like this, and then with your two fingers move it in the clockwise direction. And as soon as you do this, you will hear a chime sound of AirTag, and that is it. Your battery has been changed for your AirTag, right? So this is how you can change the battery on your AirTags. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.